Now let's talk about Scotland. It is very beautiful country. Its beauty is very understand because of the huge beautiful hills and so many beautiful mountains, past river and beautiful view. Let the sea with look for a night or here at night. The lights are also very bit because the valley here look very beautiful at night. It also shows a lot of scenery. There is a lot of beauty, spirit here and the view. Here is interesting and no strange, beautiful view and land valley. Is look like view. Winter seasons and cloud heavily above the sky. Very most beautiful view. Lakes, river and blue water. This country is very unrelated because people come from fair and white in the beach in same river and make snowball and throw them on each other. It is very interesting to see. It has huge beautiful trees, huge mountains, excellent rivers, waterfall lakes, and everything looks beautiful. There are many beautiful views, the most beautiful scenery can be seen in this country. Scotland is the richest because after seeing it, many dream like a very beautiful day reaching the real. Scotland is a country that is rich in natural beauty. No one has ever seen what kind of country Scotland is. Very beautiful, seen a lot. But the people here are also very nice, hospitable, very colorful people. Scotland is a sweet darling. The most beautiful country view, lakes, waterfall, and road ever between big mountains valley. Big lakes, beautiful view, and blue water, clean and clear water. Sea under fish water, and beautiful grass, house, and big trees, and around about apple trees. Lakes boat, run fast and slow underwater. Look like people in others sea area, big waves in mountains. The hosts